Hi, how is the day? In any meeting, have you heard these lines? A successful project is one which is completed on time and within budget. Second, the client is happy with the final product. Third, the contractor walks away with good profit. But do you know, if the projects are not managed properly, none of the things will come out. Specifically for a construction project, if it is not properly managed, then it can easily go over budget and the timeline completely fly away without your notice. The key contributing factor why construction projects didn't success or didn't meet the definition mentioned as a successful project is poor planning. Poor planning lead to poor execution. That means more time, more effort, more cost. So it is obviously over budget. Efforts put in planning stage of a project result in a successful completed project. The better the focus at the planning stage, the better the results. For a better planning, we have to start the planning phase by asking the scope, the timeline, and fully understanding both the two things. And add to that the customer expectation has to be clearly noted. Sometimes there are some written scope, but the customer expectation is not clearly reflected in the scope. The customer expectation is basically the behind the screen thing, what a project manager can understand after discussion with them. And we have to create a balance between the customer expectation and the scope so that the client gets satisfied at the end. If you know all these facts and planned it properly, it doesn't mean that your planning activity is over. Keep in mind the planning documents like your plan, schedule, and cost or the budget. In other words, the cost to complete of the project. All these are dynamic documents and it has to be updated on regular basis to give a real picture, real tracking of the project, and it will lead to the real success. Do you really want to know how the planning has to be done and how the tracking is to be done so that project will be successful? Please give your comment below so that we can be connected to discuss on this topic. Thank you.